We are pleased to show you the 2013 Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, AM/FM CD MP3 radio, CD player, rear window defroster, power windows, fog lights. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.